And what's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back on another video, and today we're looking at a robot vacuum that can mop and vacuum, and it also has LiDAR sensors. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when new videos come out, tips, tricks, and unboxing just like this one. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. This one is from Dreame Tech. We're looking at the Dreame Bot L10 Pro. And basically, yeah, we're gonna test this out today and see how well it does. This is a LiDAR sensor on top of there. Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna test it out today and see what it could do. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. Yeah, it's pretty crazy how it has both mopping, LiDAR sensor, and also vacuuming. I have tested different robots, but today we're gonna see what this can do. So here I will open it, and there's the mopping system right there. Let's put that on the side for now. There's also the literature right here by Dreame Tech. Again, let's put that on the side for now. Let's put this right here, nothing there. There you go. Robot itself. Quite hefty, but not that bad. Very thin as well compared to other robots, so that's pretty good. Very nice. Let's take this out and open this guy up. Adapter right there, very nice. There is also the base. It also comes with the base. Very nice. A home base right there. Very nice. And then there's also an extra. I think this is an extra. Anyways, it comes with this little guy right here. Look at that. Very good. And I think that's it for the box. Let's put this away. There you go. Let's unravel what we got here. So here it comes with the power up adapter right there. Let's open this guy up right there. Boom. There you go. Again, very hefty device, right? Okay, right there. And then the mopping system right here. And there you go. A few things before we start here. Install it up here. We need to install this little guy right above here, like so. Very good. And then the bottom part, this part right here, is for the mop. There you go. And you're good to go. That's it. So the mop, you shouldn't use any detergent or anything like that. This is mainly for water. Right, you can dampen it or something like that, but don't use detergent. So there you go. The front of the Dreame Tech also has a bump-proof thing so that when it gets hit, it would be able to turn itself. Pretty good. Now let's show you the inside of the Dreame Tech L10 Pro. Basically, the inside, you'll be able to clean out the dirt that it sucks in here. It comes with a cleaning brush as well. Very nice. There's also a feature that we don't have to buy new filters for this because you'll be able to just clean the filters thoroughly using water. So here, real easy to clean it out. Just pull that out. On top here, the one I'm talking about is the filter right here. You just unclip that. You rinse this with water. Make sure it's dry before putting it back, and you're good to go. This little space as well, you can pull out. And you'll be able to open it up so that you can get rid of the dirt inside. There you go. And then to put it back, just clicks in like that. And then put it back like so. And you're good to go. Very easy. Now let's look at the bottom of the Dreame Tech L10 Pro. As you can see, there's a bunch of wheels here that it'll swivel right there. Very nice. This one has a very big allowance as well so that it'll hop into those little things that are on the uneven floors or whatever, right? Here you'll be able to just unclip this like so, You can be able to take that off, and then you'll be able to clean off the brush real easy. Very nice. Again, you can just rinse that off and you'll be good to go. To put it back is so easy. All you just need to do is just reverse of what we've done earlier, which is just a clip there, and then it just sits right there. Take the cover and clicks in, and that's it. On top there is where it gets charged, and down here is the mop, as you can see there. To take off the mop, there's two buttons on the side. Just pull that off and good to go. Here you'll be able to refill this. This is also a vessel. You can fill this with water. Again, no detergent, just water. And then it'll spray automatically the water to the mop. The mop as well is just a Velcro right there. You could take this off and slide it off so that you can clean this separately. You could probably get the extra mop on their website, but I would be good with just the one, and then I would just clean this, put it in the laundry or maybe on your dishwasher, and you'd be good to go. Again, you could just put it back by just sliding it in like so. I'm using one hand for this, so as you can see, it's not bad at all. If I could do it with one hand, you could probably do it real easy for you. And then you just attach the Velcro down. Now let's go ahead and fill this with water. Here you could just unclip that little rubber thing right there, and then go to your faucet and fill this up. I would suggest using the tub faucet instead of the sink, because my sink doesn't really fit and I can't fill the whole thing properly. So I would recommend using the tub faucet instead. Now it also comes with a charging base, very basic. It just has one hole right there, which is for the adapter, and you just plug this in right to the wall. This is used so that you can charge the vacuum without. This is like their home, so it charges here overnight, and then when when you schedule cleaning, then it'll just come off here, and then it'll just come back every time. Now let's go ahead and download the app. You just go to the instruction manual and basically download the app so that we can control our vacuum. Go ahead and open up the app after it's downloaded and register. Once it's all good, let's go ahead and hit add device and look for L10 Pro by Dreame Tech. So just follow the instructions. We're just gonna click the two buttons right there. Just hold it till it speaks.
Waiting for the network setup.
Once you get that message, you're just gonna go ahead and connect it to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And then once you've done that, we're gonna open up our Wi-Fi setting here and then click the Dreame vacuum right there and go back to the app. And right here, it'll automatically connect this to our network. Once it's all done, we're just gonna go ahead and go through the startup settings. This is on the living room, so just gonna click living room right here and hit next. Here you can change the name of your vacuum. I'm just gonna keep it the same, hit next, and then let's get started. That's it. Once you're ready to go, let's go ahead and start cleaning.
The robot is starting the mopping.
So as you could see there, very interesting, because as soon as it says that it's starting a new cleanup, the lidar scans again for walls. As you can see there, the map starts to go. So that's the beauty of the lidar, because it has a 3D scanning. It doesn't have to rely on the robot to go around to get the map. That's pretty cool. It updates it live on here, and it shows where it's been and where it missed. Very nice. As you could see, it's doing a good job going up on the mats. Very nice. It also doesn't need to hit a lot of walls, because it knows and it detects it right away. It does have a bump-proof front, if you can't see it, but for the most part, it's actually doing a good job just maneuvering around obstacles. Very nice. So you can see it's updating live on our apps as well. Very cool. It even shows the island right here for the kitchen island. Very nice. Here I'm gonna show you the style of where it goes and how much it missed and how much it actually did. And to be honest with you, I'm very impressed with this vacuum, and it's able to not miss a whole lot really. The stuff that it missed actually has a little bit of an item there, like I have a table or maybe a bag or something like that. So yeah, it did a good job. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I was able to help you on your choice on a robot vacuum. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. So go ahead and check that out. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a good one. Peace.